gorgeous, in this video I'm going to share more about the nails product. Who doesn't like pretty nails, right? And this time I'm going to show you more about a polygel from Madam Glam. Yes, Madam Glam again. As you know, Madam Glam is my favorite nails product. And I have kind of kit here. So this is a dual forms 36, 12 sizes and 36 tips. And I have, this is a brush and the applicators, and of course the polygel itself. I have two here. The one is a Lily of the Valley and the Blush Beauty. If you are like me, you don't really like have long nails because of your activities. Me myself, I like gardenings and outdoor activities. However, if you have a special occasion, you also want to have a special nails, this polygel is easy way to have an extension nails. And if you want to know the process, let's get into it. So, and this is the final results, guys. I use the blush peony, which is adorable, right? It's just gorgeous. The color is like little peachy, little peach pink. It's just gorgeous. I love it. I always satisfied with Madam Glam product, guys. They have such a good quality product, and I will definitely put the link down below. Please check it and click it and enjoy it. Have fun with it. With Madam Glam product, just like me, we're very satisfied with the result. I hope you like the tutorial and some tips, and the testing is just so great and adorable. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you soon. Love you all.